Great. So that was the application appeal for the DSC lead for the year 2020-2021. For this year, I'll be leading the Developer Student Club of SISGST. My name is Harsh Sanjay Agarwal. I'm a final year Electronics and Telecommunication undergraduate with a passion for coding. I'm a geek and a video game fanboy at heart. So feel free to talk to me about any and all technology, coding advancements, or even gaming news. I've worked with full stack development and microcontroller hardware for most of my engineering, and I'm now diving deep into the world of machine learning. You can find me on the mentioned social media handles and my GitHub page's website to connect to me directly, or my contact number is also on the WhatsApp group. Next slide. So we already have our core team with us. First, we'll have Anirudh. Anirudh, you're muted. Anirudh, you're muted.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anirudh Srinath Belwadi. I take care of the administration in DSC SIS GST. So I have a big interest in building full stack applications and mobile applications specifically for Android. I do possess hobbies for photography, and I also practice music. And you can approach me for doubts in any web development sector or any full stack sector. So yes, looking forward to see you all in the cool workshops and seminars that we'll be arranging in our community. Again, a warm welcome to all.
Thank you, Anirudh. Anirudh is our cloud facilitator for the year. Next, we have Anand.
Hello, guys. My name is Anand Tirthara. I'm currently studying in third year computer engineering, and I'm also the DSC administrator. I love to code, write short stories, and write scripts for plays, etc. And I have done many projects in domains such as blockchain, web development, and app development. So if you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me at any time at the given contact details. And yeah, and I'm currently interning at Outrider Tech Private Limited as their backend developer. Thank you. Next slide.
Yes, Dikshita.
Hello everyone, my name is Dikshita Kamri. I am webmaster at DSC SIS I am a web developer and web development and ML enthusiast. You can find me on mentioned social media handles. I'm sure after being member of DSC SIS you will be benefited with different Google events and workshops. Thank you.
That's awesome. Dikshita has also been with us for Google Crowdsource and many other things. Next, we have Surya.
Hello everyone, I'm Surya. I'm from TEXTC and I'm a passionate developer who loves to solve real life problems using coding. And I'm currently in courtship chapter of courtship chapter of our college as front-end developer. And I'm excited to meet you all today and excited to work with you all soon in some big projects and soon. And you can reach me out through the social handles mentioned and also through the WhatsApp group. Thank you.
Sahil.
Hello, hello everyone. I'm Sahil, third year HTC student. I work as the designer, graphic designer for core team of DSC SIS and also the design head of IEEE SIS I like front-end development and designing UI UX for websites and mobile applications. And I'm very passionate about painting. If you want to contact me, you can. These are my socials.
Okay, great. So feel free to connect with any of us, discuss the DSC, ask doubts, or discuss plans, or give any suggestions. We are open to any and all ideas. Let's quickly establish a few basic rules to ensure proper functioning. First, we want you guys to talk about DSC, talk about ideas, talk about the things you learn, and the more you discuss, the more you learn. This culture of discussing idea has been absent in the MU curriculum, so we encourage students to discuss everything freely. And as I always say, in engineering, no doubt can ever be stupid. For the future sessions we conduct, preferably you should join via computer systems. so that you can participate in the in-session activities. We'll try to keep most of our activities browser friendly, but if need be, we'll tell you guys about installations beforehand. We are not a student chapter, we are a club and we are a community. So there's no hierarchy here. We're all here to learn new things and collaborate to build something bigger than us individually. The best way to keep in touch with us would be through the WhatsApp group and the DSC platform page of DSC SIS GST. You can discuss, find upcoming events, and ask queries anywhere. Keep an eye out on your email through which you register for the DSC platforms. Your rewards and updates will often come via mail. Next slide. Okay, so these are the major domains that we'll be working with and collaborating with different student chapters throughout the year. We'll have assigned Google facilitators for most of these domains, and we'll be providing us with credits for quick labs and sessions with Google developer experts. Next slide. So what kind of sessions will we be having? We'll be having a lot of workshops, expert tech talks, study jams, boot camps, Explore ML and cloud workshops, which you might have heard of, and also a few roadmap sessions for people who are looking for guidance, who are not sure which field they want to work in or what next after just learning pure coding. Our main focus though will be the Google Solutions Challenge. This is the annual event where DSCs from all over the world participate and solve a problem that they found around them. A problem as simple as not having a monitoring platform for medicines can be solved very efficiently. Google sponsors these projects and puts them on the Google Devs front page, and you get to work with some of the best minds from Google developer experts. And this results in an exposure which can be pivotal to one's career. Next slide. Okay, so let's watch a part of a video that is related to identifying a problem as DSC explains it.
As technologists, we build things. We build apps and websites, self-driving cars and burrito delivery services, meme generators, and, well, you get the point. But why are we doing this? What's the point of this technology? My name is Arman Hazarkani, and in this video, I plan to answer these questions and more. Welcome to the Developer Student Club's Solution Challenge. Here at Developer Student Clubs, the point of technology is to build solutions to local problems. So what makes a solution successful? What separates successful products used all around the world and products that fail to get any users? Simply put, successful solutions solve a well-defined problem and unsuccessful solutions don't. Let's look at an example. A lot of times people will jump right into building a project they're super excited about. They'll spend weeks and even months developing it, leading up to an incredible launch with 0 users. That's not great, but for some reason, this is a time-old story, and it happens to students, entrepreneurs, and even large companies. Why? Most of the time, it's because they started at the wrong place. A lot of scientists, engineers, and inventors alike start by thinking of a really cool idea rather than a really tough problem, which leads to all these really cool ideas with no real-world application. The key is to start by identifying a problem, then deciding how you want to apply technology to solve that problem. When building any project, the most important step is identifying a true problem, something that people truly feel. A lot of people don't spend enough time here because honestly, it's difficult and it's time consuming.
Right, so you get the point of the Google Solutions Challenge. Basically, you need to search for issues that arise around you and try to solve them. This ends up being a global competition, and there are many levels to this. You get to interact with people from all over the world while solving problems. So this will be the main focus for the academic year. Next slide. So discussing projects. For quality projects, we'll need quality project heads. DSC is always looking out for students who have the ability to lead a team. These heads are selected from the core team and the campus of SIS GST. That means you can be one too. The main speciality of these heads will be the will to learn and teach what they have learned. Projects can be of any domains and combination of domains, and even collaborations with different student chapters. So if you're already working in a student chapter, feel free to pitch the idea to them and get a community working on the idea. If the idea makes it in the conversation and is worth discussing, we will work on it with a team of Google experts. Next slide. So the last part of the DSC is facilitators. These are experienced students in certain subdomains of coding, for example, machine learning, Google Cloud, and web development. who will be given onboarding and training by Google to be able to bring this technology to the students. That is us. We already have a Google Cloud facilitator in our team, who's Anirudh, and we'll be looking for ExploreML facilitator and more as soon as Google announces the forms. So if you think you have the capability and the will to learn, the chance is always at hand. Feel free to contact us. Next slide. So finally, here's the good part. The benefits of working with the DSC. Of course, DSC is supported by Google developers, so certificates from Google, goodies for top performers are only scratching the surface. You can work on actual live Google projects. You can get the best resources for learning, which cannot be bought online. You can learn problems that arise during deployment after deployment during the maintenance stage of the product. And working with a team helps you solve problems which would be difficult working alone. This is the problem that I have faced. Working with a team solves many problems that you wouldn't be able to solve if you're working alone. So this is one of the best opportunities to get some stars on your resume. Next slide. So this is the DSC platform for SIS GST. The link is bit.ly/gdsc-SIS-GST. To share the group link with your friends, go to bit.ly/dsc-SIS-GST, and the platform is bit.ly/gdsc-SIS-GST. We'll share the links again in the group. You can become a member of the DSC-SIS-GST there and get the updates and all the rewards that DSC will provide. Currently, the RSVP for this event is still open. So if you want some brownie points, if you want some participation points, you're still free to RSVP for this event. To get points towards participation in the activities, you should register an RSVP for events that you are going to attend. Those who have RSVP'd already can check in and ensure that there is a record of their involvement. Next slide. Okay, right. So enough of me rambling on. Let's have a very small activity where you guys can ask doubts. Just type slido.com on your browser window and enter the code 44452. There you can ask doubts, or you can say write hello DSC-SIS-GST in your favorite language. Let's see how many languages we can guess. I'll share my screen 1 second. Right. So you can join slido.com and enter the code 44452. If you have any form of doubts, or if you want to get involved in the activity, just write hello DSC-SIS-GST in your favorite language. Waiting for some solutions. Okay, a simple hello, C++, and a simple one, Java, JavaScript. That's Python. Semicolon missing is. That's all I'm saying. Work nahi karega ye. Okay, someone has made an infinite loop. Okay, we'll wait for 2 minutes. If you guys have any doubts, you can write it here instead of just printing. Otherwise, the session is over. If you have any doubts, you can DM any of us. You have all our numbers in the WhatsApp group, and then we'll end the session for today. Thank you so much for coming. HTML. Arey yaar, HTML is not a programming language, bro. Can you elaborate on facilitator? Yes. So what a facilitator is, Google has assigned people. I'll wait on this question for a minute. So what a facilitator does is he picks up a particular technology that is provided by Google, let's say Google Cloud, and for a particular period of time he gets training from Google. In our case, Anirudh is getting trained by Google for 3 or 4 days in online sessions, and then he'll be bringing that technology to us. He'll be getting Quick Labs credit. Quick Labs is a paid platform where you can learn Google Cloud. So we'll be getting free credits for that, and we can work on Google Cloud and learn cloud from him. Also, a facilitator can also bring goodies to us. So if there will be certain tracks that we'll be working on, if you complete a certain track, or if you complete a particular number of quests for the whole thing, then you get hoodies, then you get stickers and certificates from Google. So that's a big thing. I'm not from SIS. Is that okay? Yes, any college can join us. It's not limited to SIS. You can work with us and you can learn along with us. How do I join the WhatsApp group? The link is bit.ly/DSCSISJC. This is the link to join the WhatsApp group. And if you want to join the platform, how can I join DSCSISJC? That is bit.ly/GDSCSISJC. I'll post the links once again in the group. Will there be special team of women like women tech? Yes, we are planning on making special teams for women like women and women tech makers. The thing is, we need to see involvement. If there's involvement of women, and if we see any person picking up the opportunity, they will for sure. We will for sure bring these teams. We also have experts from women tech makers who would like to give sessions and attend with us. So that would be great for us. I'll show you guys how to join DSCSIS. Just 1 second. bit.ly/GDSCSIS. Okay, so this is our page, dsccommunity.dev/SISGST. The info session is going on right now. You can just register here with any Google account, and you'll be able to become a member of this group. Since I'm already a member, I can't reinitiate the group, but you can register on this platform. Here we have all our events, and you can join the events. You can, when you attend the events, you can put it on the platform that I have attended the event. That will also earn you brownie points. This is the organizers, and you can interact with all the members on this platform. Yes. Volunteers for women in tech makers and DSCL algorithms. Absolutely. Do I need to be a part of everything that is conducted? Like if I am interested in not really. You can attend whatever you like. But the thing is, while working on projects, you will definitely have to interact with people who work on other platforms. Just ML and app dev won't make a proper project at times. You might have to interact with Google Cloud. You might have to interact with web development. So we would suggest you to attend a few more sessions to get acquainted with people who are working on other things, but there's no compulsion at all. Upcoming workshops. Anirudh will be conducting Google Cloud workshops very soon. October we have Google Cloud month, so you can get certificates from Google and Google hoodies and more goodies from Google if you attend those sessions. We'll be announcing that on the group very soon. Also, we have Hacktoberfest, which is in collaboration with the tech team. So we'll be working on projects there and also teaching you guys about GitHub on that platform. Again, you can simply register on the platform and all the details will come directly to your email. You can also join the WhatsApp group to keep up to date with us. I did not understand the competition. Okay. So the Google competition is the Google Solutions Challenge. This comes under DSC. If you have any idea of solving any sort of problem that you see around your world, let's say I see a problem where during the coronavirus, I couldn't find my medicine at the location that I wanted. I found the medicine, like I had to call several stores up. I couldn't find where exactly my medicine was available. If there was a platform which simply gave me information about which store had my medicine, I could directly go rather than waiting for months and ordering to pharmacy and all that. So this was one of the major projects that appeared this time in the Google Solutions Challenge. And what you do is you pitch this idea, you talk about this. If we feel that this is worth it, then we start working on the project. You get Google developer experts talking about it. And once the community starts building the project, then we start putting it forward to the Solutions Challenge contest. And then through every level, you have to try and clear and make it through the contest. Anything else? Any mentorship program or hands-on on tech stacks? Not planned yet, but again, if the community wants it, we'll for sure keep it. We are always open to suggestions. Anything that you like, we can pitch it to the people. I mean, the mentors and the Google developer experts. I guess that's done. We'll wait for 1 more minute for the questions, or else we'll close the session for today. I did not understand about the competition. Give me 1 second. So this is a link. I'll be posting it on the group as well. He's explained the group. He's explained the challenge extremely well. 1 second. This one. I guess the official website is not active yet. I'll share the link in the group once the link is active. I'll let you guys know more soon. How will I get the goodies? So for goodies, there's a number of ways to get the goodies. First is to get involved in the competition, and as you progress, you get goodies. Also, if you work under a facilitator, the facilitator will be giving you quests to complete. If you complete a certain number of quests, you get hoodies and stickers from Google. If you complete a single quest, you get a certificate, and if there's more than, I think, 6 or 12, I'm not exactly sure what is this time, you start getting wearable hoodies. Is there anything else? Will there be any position opening? Yes, we'll be picking facilitators and more from the college. Even not even from the college, we can also pick them from outside if we think you're willing to do it. Will you guys help with competitive programming? Yes, we will have competitive programming. The thing is, most of the domains that we want to work with, chapters from our college are already doing. So we'll probably be collaborating with CodeChef and bringing to you guys workshops about competitive programming. Well, aptly said. I think they need a bit more description than this. I'll share links and videos regarding this. We'll close the session for today. Thank you guys so much for coming. If you guys have any form of doubts, feel free to ask any of us. There's 5 of us in the meeting today, and any of the admins of the DSC group. Talk to your friends about the DSC, and let's grow as a community together. Thank you so much for coming.